The first step I'd like you to do is go through the PDF related to Floyd's Chow Hall in Baghdad. I'd like you to read his vision. Look at what he did. In fact, if you want to go even deeper, you can just Google about this particular Chow Hall and Floyd, and you will find out his vision. You'll find about the different things he did. You'll see some videos. But really, just go through, look at the pictures, look at the vision that he set apart. That's step one, is to learn as much as you can about what he was doing and how it's different than saying he was running the Chow Hall on a military base. What's different about what he did? Now that you've read all about Floyd and the Chow Hall he designed, I'd like you to work with a small group from the class, and I want you all to sit down and think, if you were now in charge of this Chow Hall or a different Chow Hall on a military base, what would you do? How would you serve up morale and not just food? What would you do differently? Now, he had some amazing ideas, but if you had to go from that to creating your own, what would you do? So work as a team and create what you would do for your own Chow Hall. As you create your ideas, start tracking those together. And what you're going to do is do a small PowerPoint with audio recording, or you could do a video or any other way that you want to communicate how you would create your own Chow Hall. Step here. So you've talked about your Chow Hall, how you would design it. You're creating a PowerPoint that talks about, include pictures, include narrative of what you would do to create this Chow Hall. But really, that final PowerPoint slide and your narrative should really talk about how does this apply? What does this create for us for action as leaders? What does this look like in our respective businesses and organizations? So if you're creating your own vision and organization, what does that look like? So if you're in a school, are you serving up education or are you serving up something else? In your business, are you serving up a product or are you serving up something else? So start thinking about, what is it that you're doing and how do you go about that? What does it mean for you as a leader when you think about vision? What are you already doing? What do you need to do? How do you take this small exercise and translate it into the work that you do on a daily basis? So those final couple slides or last slide and narrative should really be related to that as a team.